Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos and welcome all of you at my back for Forex YouTube channel. First of all, I really thankful to all of you for watching my all videos, and I have received the messages from the different countries, peoples regarding come my live face online. So this is my first video. I come online for you, and as you know, if you are my subscriber, as you know, I always try my best to bring for you the best forex strategies you can see at my forex YouTube channel, and I have started to share with you the weekly forecast about the gold and euro USD also. Okay, so the thing is proper education of the forex trading, because the education is very important. If you have a good knowledge, if you have a good study, if you have a good analysis before entering the market, then 90% sure you can make profit in forex trading. Otherwise, if you trade without any knowledge, without technical analysis, without fundamental analysis, then very difficult to make a profit in forex market, because 90%, 90 plus percent people are wasting and losing money in this market. So my aim is also give you the proper best knowledge of the forex. So today the topic is, we will discuss the topic of the high levels, daily high levels, weekly high levels, low levels, weekly, daily low levels, what these levels play the role in forex market. So today we will discuss. Before starting this topic, I request to you like and subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further best videos. Okay, so let's start. Come on the topic. Okay, so in this video you can see I have attached this strategy with this gold chart, and this strategy automatically calculate you, automatically show you the levels of the high levels, weekly levels. You can see here I am moving the cursor weekly high level, and this was the also weekly high level, and you can see here. So we will discuss these levels, how actually these levels works in forex market. For example, i will I will give you the example. For example, market was at this point 1812, and why, what is the reason market go down? What was the main reason gold touch this area and go down? The reason was, there are many kind of fundamental reasons also, but the support and resistance levels also play very good role in your trading. Okay, so why market move from this area? Okay, because this was the strong resistance level, and you can say the strong high level of the market. Like, you can see here, this point was 1800, 11 point was the monthly. I will zoom out for the better understanding. You can see, okay, this was the weekly and monthly high level, so that's why market moved down. Okay, so if you are trading with proper support and resistance levels also, okay, but if you have the high and low levels, this is also your support and resistance level. Because if you can see here, this was the weekly low level. It's mean before 1 week market was at this point, same point. For example, you can see, I will show you, 18 October market was this, and again market if go down, then it will be the like now it's a week like a 10 days more. But if market go after like a 30 days, then it will be automatically this indicator calculate you and show you the monthly low level. Okay, so you can see here, this is the daily low level, and this is the weekly high level. This is also weekly high level. So it's mean if you follow the levels of the market, the levels of high and low levels, and after follow, you can understand what can happen, what can be possible in forex market, and how you can set your buy and selling it. So very easily, it's very easy. But you can see here the upside monthly high level. Okay, so I will zoom in and show you. So today, this lane is automatically indicator showing you the monthly high level. But why this is the monthly high level? Because before 1 month, today is the 22 or 20 sorry today is the 24 October. So 24 September market was at same position or like a 1 month ago. So that's why this level automatically this indicator show to you. If you want this indicator, you can contact with me at my WhatsApp number. I have given my WhatsApp number at every video description, and I will try my best to give you the proper training about this strategy use. Okay, because there are many kind of indicators I have, many kind of strategies I have. Some certain strategies and indicators are free, but some strategies and indicators are paid. But I will try, as per your discussion, I will try my best to give you the strategy as per your capital, as per your trading scenario. Okay, so thank you so much. uh, you can see here many videos about the different kind of strategies I already uploaded on my YouTube channel also. But I hope you understand about the high and low levels, how these actually work. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.